I know what I deserve, I've been grinding since young. Took the pain, took the losses, made it at the slum. Ain't nobody gave me none, had to get it on my own. Now they see me in the light trying to...
What's good with the LMB gang, man? We back with another one, man. It's about 6:30 in the morning, man. You know what I'm saying? But before we go ahead and get to these charts, man, and do what we do for the day, man, we're going to go ahead and get a little workout in, man. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, yes, we are on my journey to becoming wealthy, but we can go ahead and be wealthy right now. You know what I'm saying? Because I truly believe that health is wealth. Right now, you got to go ahead and take care of your body to be able to be 100% functional. You feel me? Because if you lacking a little elements and stuff like that, man, you're going to wake up not feeling good. You know what I'm saying? Not feeling the best. And you ain't gonna want to get up and do what it is that you got to do for the day. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you're an entrepreneur or something like that. You don't got no boss. You got to go ahead and make yourself get up. Ain't nobody there to be like, hey, you got to be here at 9 o'clock in the morning. You know what I'm saying? And then like you can go ahead and leave at 5 or whatever. Ain't nobody there to be there. You know what I'm saying? This is a 24-hour game. You feel me? You got to go ahead and wake yourself up and you got to go ahead and put yourself to sleep. The whole time though, it's a grind. You feel me? It ain't really no grind. You know what I'm saying? Like that, but it is a grind like that. If it makes sense. If you in the right field or something like that, man, you probably gonna go ahead and make more money than the average person. You feel me? So that's gonna give you a little bit more freedom to do whatever it is that you want to do. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? It is a daily grind, man. You are your own boss, folks. You got to make yourself go ahead and get up and go ahead and take these trades. Go ahead, sell that product. Got to go ahead and do whatever it is that you're doing. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. So let's go ahead and go get to it, man. And let's get the day started. I don't have no gym, so we gotta go ahead and do this shit at the crib, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I don't got no gym membership. You know what I'm saying? So we up at the crib with the shit, you feel me? Alright gang, so we just got done doing a little early morning workout. Now we about to go ahead and get ready to go up in the office and hit these charts. Try to catch a good setup today, man. See what we can do. Yesterday we made $215. Today, let's see if we can beat that. Let's see if we can beat that, gang.
My skinny ass be hitting them 30s, boy. You know what I'm saying? Them dubs and them 30s.
All right, gang. So we back up in the charts. You know what I'm saying? It's about 6:50. We already got our early morning zone jumped off. So we about to go ahead and, y'all already know, go find us a rectangle tool. So we go ahead and go get that. This is our area that we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and mark that zone off. Okay, so now you see that we're in between these two zones right here. And we're also at a hole, which is 2750 on the future side. You know, so if we can end up breaking through here, you know, then we're possibly going to end up seeing a potential sell to maybe this one right here. And then we'll end up catching from up there to right there. If not, if it bounced above it, then we're going to look for it to buy and go to the upside up here and go there. So we're going to see, man, right now, like I said, 650. We're going to see what to do when it comes down to 730, you feel me? Let's go. All right, gang, it's 701. We got to pull back into our late morning zone. Looks like we're about to get ready to break those. And this might be becoming a sell. So we're going to end up seeing we have price do a gap right there on my charts. We come back in, fill that gap up. Come back down, retest the lows, and this is where we got to see if we stay above, then we're looking for the buys, but we're going to see, though. Let's see. They make me want to go ahead and take this trade early, man. But look what time it is. Listen, we still got 25 minutes, man. All right, gang. All right, gang. It's 7:09 on the 23rd of January, man. Yeah, we got our early morning boxes off. They right next to each other. Y'all see that price is kind of hovering underneath of them and right above them at the same time? I don't know. So we're going to wait until 7:30 to go ahead and take our trade. It looks like a sell. That's what I'm looking at. So we're going to see what it do. You know what I mean? I got my motherfucking blunt roll, man. I know what y'all probably saying, man. Dude. It's 2025 and your ass is still rolling up swishers? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I know. But we're going to go ahead and catch these trades, man, and see what we can do, man. Go ahead. Let's see what we got, man. You know, nice little rejection, man, you know. And that's what I'm looking for the sell, you see? But we have to stay like that, though, around them areas until 7:30. You know what I'm saying? Our volume is going to start getting ready to kick in here pretty soon. So we're going to see. We already had a little bit, and it looks like on the sell, but we have to break these lows, though. You see that? Otherwise, this could become a double bottom and go to the top. But I say sells. What you guys think? What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments. All right, y'all. We broke. It's only 7:15, 7:14, and I really want to take the trade, gang. You know. All right, gang. It's 7:17. We got a nice little break of the early morning zone and the late morning zone, and a pull back into a 2750, which is that blue line that's sitting right there. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and see what it is. You know, I think it's sell. All right, gang, it's 7:21. We got 10 minutes, and look where we at, man. We are underneath the zone, and it looks like it's gonna be a sell. That's what it is that I would like to see. I really want to take it early, like I say we should have. We would have been up right now, but we might end up taking it early, guys. All right, gang, so we're going to see if we're going to lose this one or not. You know what I'm saying? We took it early. We took it, you know what I'm saying, 8 minutes early, man, but we're going to see what it do, man. We're going to try to at least go down to that blue line right there, man. Let's see what it do. Right now we're down $10. Below 70. We got 6 minutes left. Oh, you know what I'm saying? They're rejecting. Okay, we went all the way down to a $70. Let's see. I do believe that we probably can take it down to our TP. Take us to the promised land, gang. We got 5 minutes, man. Take us to the promised land. All right, so we up 200 right now, 180. You know what I'm saying? 726, 250. Let's go, gang. Let's go, gang. Now, remember what I said. We only go into our TP, so once we get to here, we are out, okay? So let's hope that we're in the right trade, man, and keep it moving, right? 150. We got 4 minutes, gang. 3 minutes, 7:27, gang. 150. Tell them to take us to the promised land, gang. Tell them to take us to the promised land. Are they going to take us? Oh, look at that doji. I don't know. I don't know. All right, gang. We down 140, 130. Y'all just saw we was up $200, man. We got 1 minute, man. They might end up reversing it on us, bro. We're going to see what this do. You know, we're still underneath the zone. We're going to see if it's what it's going to do. Spike us up and then drop. Let's see. 200, 160. 729, gang. 729, gang. 730. 730, gang. Oh, no. It's probably going to take us 250. Let's see. I'll come back. Chat, tell them to take us to the promised land. Come on.
A few moments later.
We going to the promised land, gang? We going to the promised land, gang? Where we at? We going to the promised land? Tell them to take us to the promised land, man. Tell them to take us to the promised land, man. All right, gang, they took us to the promised land, man. They took us to the promised land, you feel me? We ended up closing out with a 375, you know what I mean, for the day. Hey, man, that's it. All right, so this is NQ, NASDAQ. I don't trade NASDAQ, but this is from my little bro, you feel me? So we're going to see what it do. You know, he say that it moves more so at 8 o'clock, so it is 7:47. We're going to see though. I don't trade this though, but I'm just going to show y'all real quick. Got the zones, early morning, late morning. We're going to see.
It's cold.
What?
My toes is cold.
Your toes cold.
It's cold in the kitchen.
Is it cold in the kitchen? Well, Daddy turned on the heat, okay? Say what up, Coco. Say what up, Coco. Say what up, Coco. Say what up, Coco. Shit, we had a little decent little day. I'm about to go ahead and play a little game a little bit. Explain your trading.
So the trade today was simply based off of the higher time frames. We already know that structure is showing us that we're on a uptrend, and so price in between those boxes was still bouncing at a higher time frame support level. So it was consolidated, moving sideways through the pre-market, and it kept coming up and bouncing up and down. So I made a support demand zone inside. So consolidation. So my trade was to either wait for a break out of the range on the sell side, or break out of the range on the upside. So I didn't want to take a trade in between because I could have got caught in the middle on either side. So, but I also knew that structure was supporting the support level. So structure was supporting a buy. So after it broke out, I took the trade. It kind of drew down a little bit, but I had my stops below the bottom side of the support level, and it never touched it, and it shot up after that. So that was the trade for the day.
What you make?
6,600. Demo account went from 50,000 to 70 grand.
Let's go.
We will be doing a live show with my brother here when I buy my funded account next week. I'll be looking to take this account from 50 to 100,000 before I buy my funded.
Let's go. He trading NASDAQ. He doing NAS 100.
NQ boy.
NQ boy. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? So we do this on multiple pairs. This ain't just on gold. You know what I'm saying? I do gold futures. You know what I'm saying? My bro right here, he up on NAS 100.
Today I was driving. I wasn't even at a desk today. I do that while driving somewhere.
You feel me? You
I
feel
wasn't
me?
even at a desk. All you need is a Wi-Fi and some skill set. Make money anywhere, everywhere.
Okay.
All you need is a Wi-Fi and a skill
I use a
set.
hotspot.
He said, I ain't even have I use the hotspot. You hear me? You need a hotspot and the skill set. That's it. And a computer. You feel me? I know it looked really intimidating just looking at this and thinking like how it is that you're going to be able to understand this and how it is that you're going to be able to even be able to figure it out, because look at it. I know it looks scary. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, you get in tune with the right people, man, and they really will put you on. Follow the right mentors. You know what I'm saying? Not just me, not just my bro. You know what I'm saying? Just follow somebody that seems like that they doing good and that's going to lead you right. Not just sell you some course. Not just try to sell you some type of product so that way they can put money in their pocket. Just find somebody that got a strategy, some type of structure, form of trading that seems to be working out for them, and it could possibly also work out for you. You know what I'm saying? You just got to find what works for you, what's worked best for you.
The biggest thing, if the mentor is not telling you about risk management, you're clear from them.
Yeah, risk management
the
is
biggest thing that trading comes down to: risk management and psychology.
Risk management and psychology, man. You know what I'm saying? Like you could literally be the worst trader in the world, but if your risk management is 100, you could be the most profitable trader. You know
what you say? One rate of what? I think it's like 40%. I think, and you can still be a profitable trader.
Still be a profitable trader. So just imagine the possibilities for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You just got to go ahead and take the risk and learn it.
Quantity over quality. Quality over quantity when you're trading.
Yeah. The best quality setups, you know what I'm saying? Don't take choppy setups. A lot of choppy setups will be when the whole day is ranging like this. So a range is when the market is going sideways. So you see we got these two boxes right here. This right here is a sideways range. It's sideways motion. You know what I mean? Like, yes, it's going up and down like this, but technically price on this side right here isn't really moving. You know what I'm saying? So you're stuck in a sideways motion. The type of markets that it is that we're looking for is when the market is trending, you know what I'm saying, when it's actually going down or when it's actually going up in a sense. And that's what it is that we look for in the trades.
Follow my brother, man. He'll really put you on a nice strategy that can really lighten your load. You still want to learn the ins and outs of trading in the markets itself. But if you have no knowledge of trading and if you just want to come to the markets and have a nice strategy that'll kind of give you an edge without really having full knowledge right out the gate. And yeah, definitely get you the one that you need.
Man, it's like I'm building like trading for dummies.
I'm just more. I do a little bit more advanced, like technicals and stuff. But if you wanted, he does technicals too. But he's really shorting that edge in the learning curve for people that don't really know what they're looking at or want to start making some type of money sooner than later. Because it is taking. Yeah, I think so. It is going to take a little bit. It is a process, and everything else comes, with time. But definitely get with him. He'll show you the ropes. It's quite simple. Simplicity. That's what makes it the best.
Man, I heard what he said, man. That's basically what it is, man. It's just something simple. Don't get me wrong. Even after learning the strategy, you still want to go ahead and learn even more. You want to be advanced, But like you say, this is just something that will give you a learning curve to be able to be profitable at a faster rate. You know what I'm saying? But you still want to go ahead and learn the basics. You still want to go ahead and learn the advanced, you know what I'm saying? So that way you guys can know. We want to do swings. We want to be able to go ahead and take, you know what I'm saying, one to two trades a week, you know what I'm saying? So every day is still learning. You know what I'm saying? It's not just like, oh yeah, I done got this and now I'm making some money with it now. I'm done learning Forex, you know what I'm saying? Or future trading, just trading in general.
Well, that is the thing, sure. That is the thing for sure.
You know what I'm saying?
I want to continue to always grow your knowledge in this market because there's always something that you can learn, for sure. We've been doing this and now it's just second nature, even though we're not exactly where we want to be, and that's the transparency of everything, but we know.
Beautiful pull back into the zone. This is late morning zone. Nice pull back into it and rejecting off of it back up to the highs.
And I do want to also speak on, don't ever think that strategy or anything that you do is 100%. In trading, you're going to take losses.
You're going to take losses.
Most richest, best traders are still taking losses. But again, that all falls back to managing your risk. What are you willing to lose for the day? You got to come in with a clear mind and strategy on what you're willing to lose for the day. And always when you press that button to take the trade, become emotionless. Don't have emotion. Don't let what the screen is telling you to lose your mind and to really make you go crazy. Become emotionless. Don't attach yourself to the money. And when you do that, then losses don't hurt and winners don't make you feel good.
Make your blood pressure. Yeah.
Sure, the winners be making me feel good, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all see how I be hitting them motherfuckers. Them bitches be making me feel good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm like, hey, you know what I'm saying? We done made about the bam today. But yeah, he right though. No emotions really. That's why I be stressing the demo account. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't be liking the demo account, because they like, oh yeah, don't give me the emotions of having the real money. But really and truthfully, the game is, you know what I'm saying, is to not have the emotions with trading. So, well, you know what I'm saying? You need to learn your strategy. That's the name of the game. Not trying to deal with your emotions. If you know your strategy, then your emotions will be handled. Your emotions will be situated. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you might have a little fear, but like, oh, I'm nervous. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause sometimes I still get nervous. But as long as my system and everything is still intact and still in play, you know what I mean? I'm staying in the trade.
Yeah, it just risk management. All boils down to risk management. I had a trade. I was actually down quite a bit, but it didn't break my stops. So I closed my computer, had my stops. If it was gonna hit my stops, it was gonna do that. If not, and look, I opened my charts back up, and then I was up. I was down when I closed my computer. But sometimes you just gotta walk away and let it do what it's gonna do. You already know what you're risking.
What was you down?
I was down at one point. I was down like 15K.
Damn. Well, that's a bad trade, but that's a good trade. But
that's heavy contracts.
Yeah, hefty contracts. But you know what I'm saying. But the trade still pulled out. He just got in at the top right there. You know what I'm saying. Y'all see the top right there? He got in right there. You know
that was the break of the box I wanted.
The break of the box. It broke right there, full candle, and he got in right there. He got a little bit of profit, but it took him all the way back down to the early morning zone, and then took off.
It's okay. It's definitely okay to lose. It's definitely okay. But like I said, when you become emotionless, for me, You know, even the winners, even the best traders. I made 15K today. On to the next.
But check it out though. So you up on the demo, you know what I'm saying, and you took the trade, you know what I'm saying, off of the strategy on how you trading and shit, and you stayed within the strategy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, for
you know what I'm saying? You were able to stay within inside of your strategy and overall still come up.
Yeah, and I would have made a little bit more, but hey, in futures, that's the beauty of futures.
Yeah.
You can, you know, a trade can go in your direction for 5 minutes, and you're up $1,000, 500, 800, 600, whatever the case may be, and you don't got to stay in that trade 5 minutes. Some of the best trades are 10 minutes long, 8 minutes long, 4 minutes long, 3 minutes long. So that's the beauty of futures, you know. It really minimizes you being at the charts as long as you don't need to be.
I done hit a $4,400 trade in 5 minutes.
You see? And then when you don't overtrade, you made $4,400. What are we still sitting at the computer for?
Why am I still sitting at? It's time to go.
So,
we came and knocked the markets across their head.
That's the difference between trading Forex and, you know, the profit. I wouldn't say the profit margins are different, but just the way you can profit is a little bit different. Love futures. I would never go back to trading Forex. You're going to see me now. This is a whole new process. We just started this last year, so. But the knowledge of the markets itself from Forex has led us to being able to still do what we do and be knowledgeable of everything, even if it is the same but slight different. So knowledge is definitely key when it's come to this.
Definitely key. Look, knowledge is key. This is a gold. Look, a reversed right where our TP was. Big reversal. You know what I'm saying? But we were still, with the knowledge that we were still able to go ahead and secure $375 today. You feel me? So, the knowledge, like bro say, will get your ass right.
Every day, show up. Every day, show up. Every day, be great. Win, lose, or draw. You fight this battle every day. And one day, you're going to look up and be like, look how far we done came. But you can't give up. Even on the days it's rough, even on the days it's tough.
You can't give up.
Keep going.
Hey man, we know a lot of the mentors, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I'm not gonna lie, they do give you some sauce, but at the same time, man, they just be trying to get some bread. Trying to get your money, man.
I'm all the way in the hospital. I traded driving up here. So, like I said, Wi-Fi, computer, skill set.
Man.
You can be across the world still trading it. So it don't matter where you at. And that's why everybody trades. That's freedom to do what they want when they want, and to be able to do it where they at. Doesn't matter. So everybody gonna get there.
Yeah, man, just keep going, man. If y'all out there, man, struggling and stuff like that, man, just keep going. Y'all gonna eventually get it. Don't ever give up on this skill set, man, because this is something that can change y'all lives, man. You know, y'all see how the world is going nowadays, man. You know, working 9 to 5 is real hard, you know, and even with 2 people in the household working 9 to 5, man, it's still kind of difficult out here, you know what I'm saying? And so, like, it ain't gonna get better, man. Y'all need to learn some type of skill set that's gonna give y'all a high payout in less time. You feel me?
And get with Duco. Get with my brother. He'll show you. He is, like I said, like he says all the time, it's really trade for dummies.